Hello, my friends. Salsa di pomodori is the recipe for today, and this comes straight from how my parents used to make it. Salsa di pomodori in Italian is tomato sauce. Very simple recipe. We still make it today, but the way that we used to make it is the same way that we make it today. And I want to show it with you. I want to share it with you. So, the smell, the perfumes of all these fresh ingredients is what really will get your juices flowing, your appetite. You're going to want to eat a pound of pasta just by yourself, and me just thinking about it, oh my goodness. Look at these ingredients: fresh tomatoes, onions, garlic, salt, pepper. Unbelievable. Even nutmeg, butter, tomato paste. I love it. Please enjoy it, and let me know how you like this recipe.